Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to change number in Google Play Store. So first, you need to go to your Play Store. Then, tap your profile here. Navigate to manage your Google account. Tap on this to open the Google account settings page. Then, tap personal info tab at the top. Then you will see here your contact information or personal information. Tap your phone number and select the edit button next to your number. You're asked to confirm ownership of the device. Tap the blue continue button. You're asked to unlock your phone using your default screen lock, fingerprint, Face ID, or a password. Unlock your device. You're taken back to the number page. Tap the edit button again and select the update number. Now, enter your new phone number and tap select. The phone number attached to your Google account is updated. Note, for security reasons, Google doesn't use your new phone number to perform sensitive actions like changing your password until about a week after the change. Your phone number may not be changed on all the Google services you use it. You need to update your number manually for apps like Calendar, Chrome, Google Play, and Google My Business. And that's all. Thank you guys for watching these videos and see you guys for the next videos.